An integrated cost leadership differentiation strategy empowers firms to deliver unique value while keeping costs in check. To effectively implement an integrated cost leadership differentiation strategy, firms rely on advanced technologies and strategic frameworks that enhance both cost efficiency and product differentiation. The technologies that enable firms to implement cost leadership differentiation strategies include flexible manufacturing systems, information networks, and customer relationship management, and total quality management systems. Firms employing flexible manufacturing systems, FMS, use automation and computer-controlled processes to efficiently produce a variety of products in moderate quantities. This allows firms to quickly respond to changing customer preferences while maintaining cost advantages. Advanced information networks allow firms to coordinate supply chains, streamline operations, and enhance customer interactions. CRM systems provide deep insights into customer preferences, enabling firms to balance differentiation and cost efficiency. TQM systems help businesses improve product reliability, performance, and cost efficiency. By continuously enhancing quality and reducing waste, firms can achieve both differentiation through superior product offerings and cost savings. This video is produced by Business Academy.